60 seconds. No coding, no hiring, just magic. Want to see how your agents will appear?
As a financial advisor, my role is to help individuals.
私は保護者や生徒の皆様が
I serve as the bridge between our company and our valued clients.
I am dedicated to helping individuals achieve their health.
Je suis dédié à vous accompagner dans tous vos projets immobiliers.
Let's dive in. This is the Humanizer dashboard. Here you can see the total number of agents you've created, leads generated by those agents, a VIP training video to help you get started. You can also mark your favorite agents for quick access, and there are quick links for easy navigation. At the top left, you'll find the Workspace section, where you can view all your workspaces or add a new one. On the bottom right, there's a language option to switch the entire software to your preferred language. Now, let's create a new agent. You have two options. First is, create an agent using a ready-made template, or start from scratch. For this demo, let's use a template. Humanizer gives you access to 60+ done-for-you templates tailored to cover all major categories, perfect for different niches and business need. I'll select the tax consultant as an example and fine-tune it. Here's a preview of the agent. If you'd like to change the agent's image, simply go to the Profile section and upload your own image to match your brand. Next, give your agent a name. Now, set up the agent's primary language, response tone, and choose whether it should appear on the left or right side of the web page. You can also select an animation for your agent and choose between dark or light mode, or customize the colors entirely to match your branding. Once you're happy with the design, move on to the voice settings. For the agent's voice, you have two options. First is choose from a list of available AI voices, or second option is upload a voice sample, and the system will clone your voice. With the cloned voice, your agent will speak and hold conversations just like you. Now you have a true agent, your brand's voice and personality in one powerful package. It's your face, your video, your custom knowledge, and your emotions live 24/7. Once you're satisfied with the appearance and setup, simply hit the Save and Next button. Now, let's talk about the training part. This is where you teach your agent how to respond and define its purpose or end goal. For the done-for-you templates, we've already set specific end goals for each category, but you can easily edit them. You can even add new goals or remove existing ones if needed. These goals won't be visible to anyone on the front end, but they act as internal instructions for your agent, guiding its responses in every conversation. For example, if your agent is designed for coach, its main goal could be to teach visitors and encourage them for training and business tips. You can even set it up to promote your products or services through these interactions. Pretty amazing, right? Let's move on. Next, choose the ChatGPT model for your agent. By default, it's set to GPT 4.0 Mini, which is the latest and most cost-efficient option. Then, you can adjust the response length. Now comes one of Humanizer's standout features, regional language support. This is a game changer. With this feature, Humanizer can detect your visitor's location and reply in their local language. It's a proven fact that people feel more comfortable when they're addressed in their native language rather than in default English. For example, imagine you're a coach teaching students worldwide. Humanizer will detect each visitor's language and adjust accordingly, teaching one student in Spanish and another in German if that's their preferred language. Isn't that incredible? Let's move on to the agent's training, responses, and knowledge base. We're giving you complete flexibility here. Trained responses. Your agent will answer based on the knowledge you've uploaded, like a URL or a PDF file. Hybrid mode, recommended. The agent will first respond using your knowledge base, and if it doesn't find the right answer, it'll use GPT to give the best possible response. AI response. If you don't have any data to train your agent, it will rely entirely on GPT to provide answers. Once the training is complete, click Save and Next to proceed. Now, let's dive into the settings page, where you can finalize your agent's details and make it truly your own. Start by setting up the welcome message. This is the first thing visitors will see and hear when they interact with your agent. Whether through audio or video, your agent will greet them warmly at the very first step. Next, update the thank you message that appears once the conversation ends, leaving a positive impression. You can also manage the frequently asked questions. Simply enter the questions and decide whether the agent should respond using AI-generated answers or a custom response. While you can create specific responses if needed, we recommend AI responses for efficiency. Lead collection is easier than ever. You can activate or deactivate lead forms anytime you want. Customize when the form appears, either right at the start of the conversation or after a certain number of responses. To capture and manage leads, you can integrate your favorite autoresponder to store leads directly, or collect leads without any integrations. Now onto the feedback form. This pops up when the user ends the conversation. It's an excellent way to understand visitor behavior and gauge their interest in your product or service. Next, let's talk about branding. At the footer of your agent, you'll see the default Powered by Humanizer logo. You have the option to replace this logo with your own custom branding to make it uniquely yours, or enter your business